All right, this question says, find the value of the following expression. So the first thing that we want to do whenever we're evaluating an expression is to use the order of operations. And the first thing we would look for in the order of operations are parentheses. So we do see two sets of parentheses, but there's nothing to do inside. So it's just showing separation between the negatives in this case and the positive and the negative in this case. There's nothing to do with the -4 or the -3 as far as adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, anything like that. And so in this case, the purpose is just separation. So then we move on to exponents. We don't see exponents in this problem. And then multiplication and division are next, and they go from left to right in order. So they're not on different levels. This is a bit tricky to get the hang of when you first start problems like these, but there's actually some multiplication right here. There's really like a 1 sitting right here and a 1 sitting right here. And so we really want to think of this as -1 times -3. And all that really does is change the sign. So I'm going to rewrite, and that's really important in these types of problems, rewrite everything. I know it's kind of tedious, but it really does help you avoid mistakes. And so because of this piece here, it's a negative times a negative. Anytime you're multiplying two numbers and they have the same sign, whether they're both positive or both negative, the end result is positive. So I have +3. And then here we have a positive times a negative, a +1 times a -4. And the result with when you have different signs, whenever you're multiplying, is negative. So we have -4 or -4 plus 9. Then everything that's left is just separated by plus signs and minus signs. We've gotten rid of all of the parentheses up here. That's where the multiplication came in. And so we want to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So addition and subtraction are on the same level. So we're going to do -4 minus 1. And again, especially until you get the hang of it, even once you get the hang of it, I still recommend rewrite everything. Then we do -5 plus 3, which is -2. Then -2 minus 4, which is -6. And then -6 plus 9. So the final answer should be +3.